Hey guys, Justin Lindhorst with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I'm on board the amazing Aquila 32. We're here on Boca Bay on this gorgeous 11th of March 2019 and be happy to give you a run through of this amazing boat. Please join me. So up here in the bow, as you can notice, we have two very spacious bow sun pads. This boat features a 12/7 beam, so we have all that space to enable us to accommodate these two super comfortable seats. On the starboard side we have seating for one, very comfortable, and on the port side you got seating for 2 to 3 adults, which is amazing. We got a nice entry step. We have an electric windlass with storage lockers on either side for all those bumpers and lines that you have cluttering the boat. So check this out folks, 32-foot catamaran. I'm inside the head compartment. I'm 6'2" and I can almost stand up. The boat has air conditioning in the head, which is super cool, and air conditioning in the port bed as well. So a lot of space, as you can see, pull-out faucet, easy steps to get in and out, and very spacious. Lots of closet space as well if needed. Mid-located galley, as you can see, with a refrigerator, a trash can, electric grill, very well appointed and at a good height and very social with all your guests. You can be sitting here grilling hamburgers and still having a conversation with all your friends back in the salon. A sink with a hot and cold water faucet. And once again, you've got visibility while you're standing, grilling out, chatting with your friends. You can see everything that's going on around you, which is really important. Just to the port side, this boat features a double air conditioning berth as well, so a place to sleep for you and your wife. You want to spend an overnight, or just for the kids if they want to get out of the sun and enjoy the nice cool air conditioning that we have down there. This boat runs the air conditioning off a battery powered inverter system, which will keep us cool for up to 8 hours. Hey guys, let me introduce you to our famous captain, Nick Pavlakis. Nick, what do you think of this amazing Aquila?
I gotta tell you guys, I feel like a kid in a candy shop. It's been a very much anticipated release of the new Aquila, and as always, Aquila really knocked it out of the park at the helm. From the comfortable upholstery on the helm seating to the ergonomic design between the steering wheel and all of your switches within arm's reach, up to your Raymarine electronics. And it's the little things that Aquila really did a great job on, like up here, you're gonna have a switch that's gonna control this hatch up here, let some sunlight and some air in. And last but not least, you're gonna have the swim platform that you're gonna control up here that Justin's gonna show you right in here in a second.
Very open social seating to the port side. You can comfortably sit 4 adults right here with drink holders, and to the starboard side we have the same seating with an adjustable table which can be lowered. And once again we have the reversible backrest. If you're just hanging out at the sandbar watching the sunset, you have 2 reversible backrests, or aft day beds we would call it. Well appointed drink holders, lots of shade throughout the whole cockpit on this boat. You have tons of shade, which is great. Last but not least, one of the highlighted features, we're going to show you this submersible swim platform. This is incredible folks, you got to check this out. First time ever featured on an Aquila 32 here in Boca Bay. So here we are guys, I'm on the platform and I'm being lowered into the water as we speak. Super cool feature. We're going to have these stairs that just fold out automatically. I mean, that's incredible. Get to the sandbar and you're hanging out and you just want to check that out. Got a nice place to hold on to right here. My feet are going underwater right now. So take a look at these stairs that fold out automatically. You get to the sandbar, you jump in the swim platform, step onto the platform right here, and you have these cool stairs that you can walk up into the cockpit. Really, really neat.